Okay, composition of a function and invertible function. What do you mean by composite function? What do you mean by invertible function? Will be discussed one by one. Okay, now we'll be discuss the only what do you mean by composite function. Invertible function will be discussed later. What do you mean by composition means the two function will be there means one function containing another function. The function containing another function we call it as a composition of a function. So what is the mathematical definition of the composition function? Let f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. So now to see, let a is f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c be two functions. Then the composition of a f and g is denoted by g composition of f is defined as the function g composition of f. What is g composition of f? A to c given by g composition of f of x equal to g of f of x, comma, for every x is belongs to a. Now before going to this one, what is a f is a function from a to b, okay, and g is a function from b to c. Yes. Now Now writing the G composition f of G composition of f. F is a function from, okay. F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C. Now when you're going to the composition, it should be match these two. These two means G composition of f should be f is a function from A to B means this is a to B f value and G is a B to C. These two should be matched. Then only compositions exist. Then only get the answer is A to C. Try to understand this one. F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C. Then G composition of F. F is a function from A to B and B and G is a function from B to C. Then these two it will be same is then only will exist A to C. What about the F composition of G? Now to say what is the G is a function from which function to which function? G is B to C and what is the F is A to B. Okay, these two is not matching, therefore F composition of G is not exist. Okay, okay, what is the picture representation? Now I hope understood this one concept. So when is the compositions exist, when is not exist? So G composition of F is exist. Whatever the F composition of G is not exist because of the reason is not matching the sets here. Now have to see here. Now F is a function from A to B. Now I'll draw this one. These are set A and these are set B. Okay, and from year to year means what this one F. Okay, here one element will be there, that is X. Okay, this image will come here means what is the image of this one? F of X. Is it right? Means X is going to the B under the function is F. So that's why X is nothing but X in place of F of X. Next, G is a function from which set to which set? B to C. This is C and just a minute. So B to C. Now B to C means the what is the function here? It is a G. Now G is function. Here X, here F of X. What about here? Here one more element. Okay. What is the function means? This is the image will be what about this one under going to the function is which function? It is a G. So here it is going to the what about the function here? G of F of X. That is only I wrote here G of composition of F of X. Then what about the G composition F of X value? A to C. Here I have to see this one. G composition F of C value. What is the G composition F of C value? A to C. A to C. This is a G composition f of this is a function from A to C. Okay. Now try to understand this one. So now f is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C. Therefore, so what is the G composition of f? A to C. But f composition of G is not exist. Why? Because already I told that here very clearly. Here f should be here first I have to come in the reverse. F should be A to C means, sorry, A to B means, and G should be B to C. Here codomain and domain should be match. Then only inverse is exist. Otherwise inverse is not exist. Based on this one, we'll solve the sum problem. Okay, I move to the next slide. So what is the conclusion of the composition function? F is one function, G is another function, and the composition function is G composition of or F composition of G have to define. Okay, and these are conditions should be satisfied here. So this condition will be satisfied, then we call it as a composition of a function. Composition means the function containing another function. The function it contains the another function. Normally we call it as a composition of a function. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next slide. Find G composition of f, f composition of G. If f is a function from real number to real number, G is a function from real number to real number are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x equal to 3x square. Show that G composition of f is not equal to f composition of G. Now, first I have to check that G composition of f. Here domain, codomain, here also codomain, everything is R. So both G composition of f and f composition of G both are exist. Now I have to see this one. Here also R to R is possible. Why? Because what is the f is? F is a function from real number to real number, and G is also function from real number to real number. These two is matching. So then the if G composition of is possible R to R. Okay. Now G according to the definition, this can be written as f of x. All right. Okay. Now I'll write G as it is. What is the f of x value? Because G composition of f of x. What is the formula? It is G of f of x. You can write by according to the definition of the composition. Now G as it is. What is the f of x value? F of x value is nothing but cos x. Okay. Now this can be written as G of t, where t equal to cos x. In place of cos x, I'll replace by t. So it is a G of t. What is a G of t means? What is a G of x? G of x is nothing but 3x square. In place of x, what here? T. Then what about this one? 3t square. Now 3. What is the t value? Cos x square is nothing but 3 cos square x. That is a G of f of x value. Okay, now I have to check the. Now it is a G composition of f is finished. That is a G of f. Now f of G. Again, this is also function from real number to real number. F of G of x. This can be written as f of G of x. Now f as it is means this one I have to write down. What is the G of x value? G of x value is nothing but 3 x square. Now write as f of this one write as p. F of p where p equal to 3x square means this entire quantity I will replace by p. Now what is the f of p value? Just start to compute the f of x value. So f of x is nothing but cos x. In place of x what? P. Then get the cos p. Now cos, what is the p value? 3x square. So these are f composition G of x. Now I have to see the both value. Both are equal or different. So it's a different values. Therefore conclusion is G composition of F is not equal to F composition of G. So out to this one, G composition of F is not equal to F composition of G is not equal. Yes, please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next problem. Show that if F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C are 1, 1, comma, then G composition of F function from A to C is also 1, 1. Okay. Now to see. Now F is 1, 1, G also 1, 1. Their composition also 1, 1. I have to prove. Okay. F is 1, 1 means I'll take that X is okay. X is belongs to means just a minute. Okay. If F is 1, 1 means what is the condition? For every X1 and X2 belongs to A, then F of X1 equal to F of X2 equal to what? X1 equal to X2. That is F is 1, 1. This is the definition of the 1, 1. And similarly, I'll take that. Again, here also I'll take that. For every y1, y2 is belongs to set B. Then f of y1 equal to f of y2 equal to what about this one? Y1 equal to y2. Therefore, G is 1, 1. This is the definition of the 1, 1. Okay. Okay. Now, how to see here? Here, A means we have to take the X and X1 and X2, X3 like. B means Y1, Y2, 3 like. C means Z1, Z2, Z3. You can take the notation, it is better to understand. Now, G composition F of. Here, A means what is the A is? X1, X2. So, now I'll take that X1 equal to G composition of F of X2. So, try to understand this one. Here, F means we taken here F. Here G means we'll take here. Okay, not F, it is G. Okay, here G means we'll take here G. Here also G. Here G composition means you have to take G composition of F. Now G composition of F of X1 equal to G of F of X2. All right. Okay. Now this can be done as just a minute. I'll go same step. I'll rearrange this one. Now this can be done as G of F of X1 equal to G of X2. Okay. Now G of F of X1 and F of X2 is 1, 1. Already they given that. F of X1 and F of X2 is 1, 1 means what about this one? This can be written as X1. Here also G of X2. All right. Okay. F of X1 and F of X2 will be replaced by X1, X1. Why? Because what is the reason? F is 1, 1. Okay. Now G of X1 and G of X1 again I'll write as X1 and X2 only. Why? Because the reason is very simple here. X1 and X2 is nothing but again it is a G is 1, 1. G is 1, 1. Therefore, what is the conclusion? G composition of F is also 1, 1. Yes. Please note down. I move to the next slide. Here's the next problem. Show that F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C are on 2. Then G composition of F is a function from A to C is also on 2. Now these are already they given that it is on 2 and these also on 2. Now their composition also have to prove on 2. Okay. Now I have to see if given that F is on 2. Yes. F is onto means what? F of x equal to y. For every x is coming from this set A, and there exists y belongs to B, and given, and G is onto, that is also the given onto. So G is onto means G is function from which set to which set? B to C. So in the B means whatever the whichever element exist Y means for every Y is belongs to capital B, and Z is belongs to C. There exist. Okay, that is G of Y equal to Z. Okay. Now to see this one. G composition of F means we need to prove that, G of F of A means which are the element is possible X only. So G of composition of F of X equal to, I have to prove equal to Y, not Y. It is a C means what is the C element? It is a Z. So is equal to Z, have to prove. Now okay, G composition F of X I will take. Now G of F of X I will take. Now G of, what is the F of X value? F of X value is nothing but Y. Can write, because F is onto, F is onto means F of X will be replaced by Y. Next, what is the G of Y value? G of Y value is nothing but Z. So why? Because G is onto. I have to write on the reason. Therefore, what is the conclusion? G of F of X equal to Z. Therefore, what is the conclusion? G composition F of F is also onto. Okay, please note down. Okay, I move to the next slide. See, the next one is invertible function. What do you mean by invertible function? Means we'll take the one function. We'll take the one function, that is f is a function from x to y. F is a function from x to y is defined to be invertible. The given function is invertible means what is the conclusion? If there exists a function g of reverse function means x to y means that is y to x, such that g composition of f ix and f composition of g iy. What is the ix means? Identity function with respect to x value x set, and g composition of f means identity function with respect to y. The function g is called the inverse of f, and is denoted by f inverse. Okay, what does that mean? Means if you take the composition of both the case, g composition of f and f composition of g, you should be get the identity function. And one more condition is it should be, in case it is a one condition, this one you can prove this one. Or what is the another definition? Or a function f is from x to y is defined to be invertible or inverse, both are same, is defined to be inverse, then inverse if there exists a function g y to x such that f is bijective. F is bijective and is denoted by f equal to g inverse, or f equal to f inverse. You can write. F equal to not G inverse, it is just G. Or you can write F equal to inverse means it is F inverse, you can write just notation, that is not required. So the given function have to show that it is a 1 1 and onto. Bijective means what? 1 1 and onto. The given function is bijective means F inverse is exist. Otherwise, we can prove that G composition of F and F composition of G equal to Ix Iy. How to prove this one? Next, I'll to see this one. One more thing here. Here I taken that G composition F of. Okay. What is the G composition of F is a function? F is a function of which set to which set? F is a function from X to Y. Yes. And G is a function from Y to X. Okay. These two get cancelled. Get the X here. X to X. Is it right? X to X. X to X means what we are substituting get the same value. So that's why writing as identity function Ix. So that's why it is a G composition of F of X. Similarly, F composition of G is a function from which side to which side? G is a function from which side? G is Y to X. Is it right? And F is X to Y. Now these two same. Now we'll get the Y to Y means Y function to Y. Now F composition of G is, we get the, if you substitute in the element in the Y, we get in the same answer. So that's why I'll write as Yi. Yes. So therefore Yx and Yi. So please note down. We are moving to the next slide. Okay. Okay, I'll move to the next slide. Let F is a function from N to Y be a function defined as F of X equal to 4x plus 3, where Y equal to small y is natural number and Y equal to 4x plus 3 for some X belongs to natural number. Show that F is invertible. Find the inverse. Now see here. F is of F of X equal to 4x plus 3. Now to prove this one, G composition of F and F composition of G both are the identity function. Now I want the one more function, that is G. Now we know that F of X equal to Y I'll take. What is F of X value? 4x plus Y, 4x plus 3 equal to Y. Now 4x equal to Y minus 3. Then what is the X value? Y minus 3 divided by 4. So now this one I have to see. Ignore X. In place of X, I'll write G of Y equal to Y minus 3 by 4. Why I'm writing this one? Just start to observe that F of X equal to 4x plus 3 means F of X value containing, it is a containing X and some constant. That's why I'm calling as F of X. Similarly, here Y minus 3 by 4 means it containing Y and some constant. That's why I'm calling as it is a G of Y. Okay. Now you got the G of Y value and F of X value. Okay. Okay. Now I got the F of X and G of X value. Now I have to check one by one. First to check the G composition F of X value. I'll check. Okay. Now, if you take the Y, I'm taking here F means you should be start from X. In case G means you have to start from Y. Now, G of F of X. Now, G of What is the f of x value? 4x plus 3. Now g of, I will take the t where, what is the where t equal to 4x plus 3. Now what is the g of t value? Now to compare to this one, in place of y, it is a t. Now it is a t minus 3 divided by 4. Can I write? Now what is the t value? 4x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. Now minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled and 4x by 4. Okay. So get the answer is x. Now I substituted here x here. S. Again you got x. That is the identity function. S. We got one result. Similarly, I have to prove that f composition of g. So I have to start from y. G means y, f means x. G of y. Now f of, what is the g of y value? G of y value means y minus 3 divided by 4. Now write as f of p. What is the p? Where p equal to y minus 3 by 4. Now what is the f of p means? Just have to compare in place of x what here? P, f value. So this value is nothing but 4p plus 3. Now 4, what is the p value? Y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. Now 4 get cancelled. You'll get the y minus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. What is the value? Y. So therefore, what is your conclusion? What is the conclusion here? F composition of g of y equal to, you got y. Therefore, F inverse is exist. F inverse is exist. And what is the F inverse value? Is nothing but g. So F inverse equal to, what is the g value? Y minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer. So F inverse equal to y minus 3 by 4. In the some textbook, they given that F inverse equal to, in place of y, again I have to replace x minus 3 by 4. Both are same. Don't get confused. F inverse equal to x minus 3 by 4. So these are inverse of the F. Okay. Same problem, we can do it in the another method. Another method means, in this method we proved by g composition of f and f composition of g. We got it is a value. So f inverse is exist. Another method is, the given function is 1 1 and onto, that is also f inverse is exist. That is bijective function. The given function is bijective means f inverse is exist, or f inverse is exist means it is a f is bijective. Vice versa. I have to remember that. Same problem I'll do it in the another method. Now to see. Here f of x equal to, what is that? 4x plus 3. Now I have to check that where f is a function from natural number to natural number. Sorry, it is, what is the function? Y to, sorry, natural number to y. F is a function from natural number to y. Okay. Now I have to see, for every x1 and x2 is belongs to the natural number in the domain. Now f of x1 equal to f of x2. What is the f of x1 value? Is nothing but 4x1 plus 3. Here 4x2 plus 3. Now 3 is a constant, both will get cancelled. You get the 4x1, here 4x2. Divide 4 on both sides, we get the x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Okay. Next. Now to check the bijective. F of means it's a, sorry, not bijective, onto function. F of x equal to y. What is the f of x value? 4x plus 3 equal to y. Then what is the x value? 4x equal to y minus 3 by 4. Sorry. x equal to y minus 3 by 4. Yes. Now this is a x value. This x value I'm going to substitute in the previous step here. Now f of x equal to y. What is the f of x value? 4x plus 3. Now don't write equal to y because we have to prove is equal to y. 4, what is the x value? Y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. 4 get cancel. Y minus 3 plus 3. This one just get cancelled. What is the answer? Y. So it is a f is very clearly it is f is on 2. Therefore f is bijective. Therefore f inverse is exist. F inverse is exist. That is f inverse is nothing but g value. This implies f inverse g value is nothing but this is a g value only. What we got here? Y minus 3 by 4 or f inverse equal to x minus 3 by 4. In place of it, you can replace x. Okay. So this is a required method. Means when you're going to prove that it is a inverse is exist or invertible, both are same. We have to prove G composition of F or F composition of G is exist. Both the values will get the identity function. That is also F inverse is exist. And otherwise you can prove that it is a 1 1 and onto is nothing but a F is bijective. In such case also inverse is exist. So please note down. Thank you.